everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Today we're at 1826 Liatris Drive in Pickering. So we have an awesome freehold townhouse, just over 1,600 square feet. We've got a finished basement, about 680 square feet. Why don't you guys go in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, now that you've seen the home, I know you're dying to get out here and take a look at it. So my contact information is gonna be on the screen. Give me a call. I'd love to show you guys this property. Personally, I have a feeling it's gonna go pretty quickly. All right guys, until then, I need you to remember one thing. Get Kabani, get sold.